Check it out, guys. Almost fully charged. That's amazing. It's actually kind of sunny out. It's not sunny, but I mean, it's a light haze, so it's not too bad. But I got a package from one of my subscribers, and we're going to see what this is. Let's see here. It's taped to galore. It's awesome. We're going to open this together. I know what's in here, but it'll be a little bit of a surprise for you guys. He had a bunch of these, and he gave me a really good deal on them. And I'm going to have a million different uses for these. Some are working, some are not. I think most of them are, though. Definitely taped really good. There we go. Now, I believe I can just cut across here. Cut across the middle. Hard to do with one hand, but yeah, it's got to be in here somewhere. There we go. Yeah, I thought it was in the right spot. There we go. By the way, this flashlight / knife is freaking amazing. Here's your brand. I'm not paid to say this one any way, shape, or form, but it's so freaking sharp. I've already cut myself with it. And the light's nice. It's dimmable. It's 400 lumens. This is on the low setting. It's extremely bright. And it also charges your cell phone. There's a little USB and stuff. Alright, here we go, guys. This is something I have not reviewed yet. Any of these things, but check it out. We got some charge controllers. This is a 40 amp. What is this? Make sky blue. Sorry, I'm just pushing all the junk out of the way. Okay, looks like this one looks alright. Sweet. So we got a 40 amp. Let's see all we got here. What's this one? This one doesn't say what it is. Not sure what that one is, but that one looks the same as the other one. And we're going to just start going through this. There's another one. So I'm just going to have to try these one after another and see what works and what doesn't work. Alright, check it out. There's another one. Only got a little bit of the bend. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I think I'm ready for some more solar panels from those solar farm that we're taking apart. Gonna have quite a bit of solar power available. This one looks like it's a 40. Oh boy, there's more. Over there too. Alright, so we got another 40, I believe. Honestly, I don't know what these are. Okay, this one looks like it does have some damage. This one's got it on the load side. I believe he told me, so the load no longer works, the output, but it still works as a MPPT charge controller. So that's totally fine with me. Alright. Got another one. I don't know if these are just all the same. So how many get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 there. Looks like we got about 14. Okay, so here, got a piece of cardboard in there. This one might be no good. This one says bad on it, so that one might need to be fixed. We'll see. No, don't want to leave this stuff for my little guy to chew on. Awesome. Oh, look at this. You got some bits and pieces here. This one looks like it probably is bad. Let's see here. This probably is no good. This one looks like it was taken apart. Okay, that's alright. And we got a few more here. This one says good unit, so this is 50. Good unit. Okay, so maybe there's nothing wrong with this one. Awesome. They're all scuffed up just because they're leaned up against each other, which is no big deal whatsoever. There's another one in the middle. This one looks like the lamination was coming off a bit. No idea if it works. We will find out, people. Alright. This says dead on it, so I'm going to assume that it is dead. Anyways, we'll look at repairing them. See if we can figure it out. This one's not sure. We'll test this one. Let's see here. PV. I don't know. They have like little things written on them, but not sure exactly what they all mean, but we'll find out. And here's the last one here. Let's see. Bad controller, battery voltage bleeds to PV side, I believe it says. So we'll see. Got some stuff to test. Definitely got a lot of it. Holy smokes, man. Let's see here. So we got, let's focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 controllers, and I believe that is all of them. Just gonna go through here because there was actually one hidden. Nope, that is all of them. So I think they all look like the same. So I think they're all 40s. Not sure. I'm gonna have to go through them a little bit more and see what we got. As long as most of these work, I got a very good deal, and we will find out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. See you later. Holy smokes, people. Taking a ton of power. 10,500 watts at times. Over 200 amps it was pulling at 64 volts, or what was it at here? Yeah, 64 volts. That's insane. What's this doing? 20 amps. Looks like the rest of the battery bank is pushing most of the power. This one's on a longer wire, so this one just plays catch up. These poor guys, they're just pumping out the power, man. I'm running 5,000 watts through both of them. They're warm, but they're not hot. This one's warmer. This one's, I believe I made this one the master. That makes sense because that one's warmer. And yeah, to start, yeah, we're running the dryer. We're charging the car on the 1500 watt, the level 1 charger. We're running the dryer. We're running everything in the house. That includes a 420 foot deep well pump. We're running computers. We're running, well, it's the whole house. Just 2 fridges, a freezer, actually 3 fridges, including this one. We're charging the battery. All kinds of stuff. Not taking in too much power anymore because it got cloudy. So, yeah. I do have to upgrade these cables. Currently, I only have 2 6-gauge cables, but because it's such a high voltage, they do alright. But I do, whenever I pull this amount of current, like these are providing almost 100 amps each. They are warm. They are not hot in any way, but they're warm. I'm going to be adding a third as soon as I'm done pulling all this power. Let's take a look here. At least it's not like 10,000 watts continuous non-stop. It's on and off because it's the dryer, so it's the heating element. There it goes again. And it's not actually 10,000 watts right now. It's more like 8,000 watts, 200 amps. It's 10,000 watts. And this is a little inaccurate. This overshoots what it actually is. So you can divide 10,000 watts by the voltage, 64 volts, and you'll get the actual amps that I'm pushing through those wires. I'm going to be upgrading it because when I do, I don't like to pull this kind of power for long, but when I do, I don't want to have to watch it. Like every time I do, I make sure I watch those wires. But I have more, I might as well stick it on. Maybe I'll put 2 more on just to be extra safe. Anyways, thanks for watching.